The secret to life is simply to live. To just be present in the moment that's happening right here and right now. To not worry about the things that are out of your control. You cannot make the rain cease or the wind settle or the sun shine brighter. Try as you may, you simply can't. Control is a matter of perspective. Are you actually in control or simply diverting your attention? So live in the moment. Go outside and enjoy the warm sun on your face, the smell of rain on the pavement, and the crisp, cool wind on your skin. If you can do that, then you have discovered the secret to enjoying life.